What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to make images move in CapCut. Animating images can add a dynamic touch to your videos, whether it's to emphasize a point, match the beat of the music, or simply to keep the viewer engaged. First, launch CapCut and either open an existing project or create a new one. Once you're in your project, add the photo you want to animate to the timeline. This process is straightforward. You can drag and drop the photo or use the import option. After adding your photo, you might notice black bars around it if the image doesn't match the video's aspect ratio. To fix this, simply pinch the image in the preview area to resize it. Make sure the image fills the screen to your liking, ensuring it maintains the same size throughout the video. Now, let's animate the image. Select the photo in the timeline to highlight it. With the photo selected, move to the point in the video where you want the animation to start. This is where we will add our first keyframe. Keyframes are essential for animation, marking the start and end points of any movement or transformation. To add a keyframe, look for the Add Keyframe button, which usually looks like a diamond with a plus sign located near the play-pause controls. Clicking on this button adds a keyframe to your timeline. Next, decide where you want the animation to end. Move the playhead to this position. Now, adjust the photo to how you want it to appear at the end of the animation. For example, if you want the photo to zoom in, pinch to zoom in on the photo in the preview. CapCut should automatically add another keyframe when you adjust the photo, indicating the end of your animation. If you play back the video now, you see the photo animating from the first keyframe to the second, creating a zoom-in effect. But what if you want the photo to return to its original size or position? Simply move to the end of the photo's duration in the timeline and adjust it back to its starting size or position. CapCut will add another keyframe, completing the animation loop. In case CapCut doesn't add a keyframe, you can add it on your own by tapping on the diamond icon. When you play back the entire clip, you'll see the image smoothly transition through the movements you've set with your keyframes, creating a professional-looking animation with your project. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.